I'm Lauren, and today I'm going to be explaining about the dosa. What that is, it's a fermented crepe. It's a staple dish in southern India, and it is considered a breakfast and street food. So the two ingredients to a basic dosa is idli rice and urad dal, which is like a black lentil, and the skins are usually made for curry. So the basic dosa consists about 37 calories, and it is very high in carbohydrates but low in fat and obviously calories. So if you're very health conscious, then this is a very good meal for you. So the cultural significance of the dosa in southern India all goes back to rice. Rice is a staple food in southern India. And since the dosa is made from idli rice, it's pretty easy for the southern Indian population to kind of, I guess, get their hands on this dish. It is also very inexpensive and easy to make, so it's a go-to dish for breakfast, and it can also be used to make bigger meals if you just add more things to it. Dosas are now very popular in Western countries. For example, in the US, the masala dosa is our favorite here. It was ranked number 4 on the top 10 foods you must try before you die by the Huffington Post. So to make this dish, you have to use the idli rice and the black lentils, which are urad dal. Both of those need to be soaked for 3 hours and then ground to a very fine powder, which is what we have here. To make the batter, you have to use about half a cup of milk and a cup of water with 2 cups of the powder. So we're just going to add the milk, and then we'll just add the water to get the right consistency after that's all mixed up.
Hi, I'm Jessica, and I'll be doing some of the cooking of our dosas. So we've let our batter ferment and sit, so we're going to pour it into our greased pan, like so. And that's just going to sit in there and cook for a little bit. Many feel like the dosa dates back pretty far. So the first mention of it was actually made by King Somasrava in the year 1054. CE, but many feel like it dates back to as far as the 5th century CE. There have been many references to dosas in literature, so 2 of the believed origins for them. One is that they originated sort of back in the Karnatakas, and then another is that they originated in about 2,000 years ago based off of ancient text references to them. Alright, so after cooking them pancake style, we have some lovely dosas here. We've made ours a little bit thicker, but there's plenty of different variations. So you can make a masala dosa, where it's regular, just sort of plain, stuffed with spiced potatoes. There's also an onion dosa with sauteed onions stuffed inside. And then there's also the roast dosa, which is really popular. It's just fried very thin, a little bit more crispy, so a crispy pancake style feeling. Today we have served next to our dosas some accompaniments. So we have some coconut chutney, some mint chutney, and even some pickled mango. So a lot of lovely little things to sort of go along with it. So enjoy.